water is essential for life. It fuels our economies, nurtures the natural ecosystems, and connects every living being. However, with climate change, pollution, population growth, and unsustainable practices, our freshwater reserves are increasingly under threat. In a world where every drop counts, finding sustainable solutions is the need of the hour.
In response to these challenges, water has become an important cornerstone of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. At TU Dresden, with our strong experience in water science and engineering, we offer a specially tailored program to do a master in hydroscience and engineering.
Through broad interdisciplinary collaboration across various institutes at TU Dresden, our curriculum is designed to prepare you to become leaders in addressing emerging environmental challenges such as climate change, water scarcity, such as water management, circular economy and waste management. You'll gain hands-on experience apart from theory with advanced technologies through workshops, laboratory and field exercises, scientific reviews and projects tied to ongoing university research. This practical experience deepens your understanding of science-based decision-making.
The HSE program strikes a great balance between structure and flexibility. You take core courses like statistics and climatology, but will also be able to customize your studies. You can choose from areas like urban water management, groundwater and flood risk management, and many more.
In the courses hydraulic engineering, hydromechanics and watershed management, you learn a lot about river engineering, flood protection and flood risk management, as well as watershed development. Therefore, you are trained in advanced modeling techniques, preparing you to lead projects in coastal and inland water management, as well as in hydroelectric power.
What I appreciate the most is that with the HSE program I had the chance to work on projects, internships and even do research at different labs. These hands-on experiences from water purification, ecotoxicological testing and computational simulation were invaluable.
It is also important to remember that you can finance your studies with a scholarship. I was awarded one of these scholarships, and this financial support gave me the opportunity to focus mostly on my academic development.
Career opportunities for hydroscience and engineering students are excellent, both nationally and internationally. Many alumni have joined top global positions and became decision makers. As a hydroscience and engineering graduate, I would say that the program was crucial in shaping my career.
For me, the city of Dresden quickly became home. It is a vibrant city with everything within easy reach. I can bike everywhere, whether I'm heading to class, meeting friends in the historic Old Town, or exploring the lively nightlife in the Neustadt district.
During my time at TU Dresden, I learned that while pursuing my academic development, it was also important to pursue my personal development. In Dresden, there are plenty of opportunities to find the hobbies that most appeal to your individual interests. For me, it's lacrosse, but there's also opportunities like badminton, basketball, windsurfing, rock climbing, or volunteer opportunities allow you to better integrate into the community.
Join us and become a part of a global community working towards sustainable water solutions. Together, we can ensure a better future for our planet. Make a difference and be the change, and start your journey at TU Dresden.